Hi, my name is Mike Filsame. I'm one of the co-founders of GrooveCart, and I want to thank you for your interest in GrooveCart.
Now let's talk about some of the features that you may or may not be aware of inside of GrooveCart. I mean, we've got some stuff stacked up, right?
Yeah, so first of all, I've got some notes here because GrooveCart does so many different things. First, we want to talk about the value proposition. John, you've had stores that have done multiple seven figures. You have seven-figure stores just in apparel and commerce doing over $150,000 a month that you've done on Shopify. And at that time, I asked you, what does it cost you to run your store? And you told me about $800 per month. And I said, how can that be? I don't see those prices at the page. And that's when you filled me in on how Shopify works. Obviously, this was months ago. With the App Store, right, and everything like that.
So Shopify has three basic plans: one at $29, one at $79, and one at $279 a month. You really can't do much with the first plan. It's just your store can't even go live. The $79 a month store, yes, most apps don't work with it. But when you move up to the $279, you think you're kind of done, right? A month. But no, you're not done. You still need a shipping app. Why use one called Better Shipping? And it costs me about $70 or $100 a month. And then you need an express for one-click upsells. And then you need an app for retargeting. On and on and on. With GrooveCart, we've taken probably the 20 top apps and we've included them with the price.
And native apps.
Native apps. We're going to keep adding them. And in some cases, we've done it better.
Now, John, did you pay a fee to Shopify per transaction as well?
Yes.
Okay, so you had told me that fees could range $2,000 to $3,000 a month on top of what you just pay Shopify, because they were charging you a fee for every sale.
Correct.
So we don't do that. So what that means is when you take our annual plan of $497 a year, I don't know the exact math, but I think it comes out to less than $41 a month or $42 a month. So $42 a month compared to what Shopify is at $800 a month, plus they're charging you your fees, and certainly all the other apps. We have about 20 native apps built in. What are they? I've got them written down here. Things like one-click upsell, the countdown timer app, the scarcity app, one-page checkout so that they don't keep going next to billing, all these things that are meant for conversions. It has the scarcity app, the social proof app. It'll say people that bought this also bought this. We have a
Better Shipping app.
A Better Shipping app, retargeting, basically every app that a real professional that's making $10,000 a month or more on Shopify. It's all just included with us, over 20 of them. Our page is designed from John being in masterminds, what he knows, and going to masterminds and finding out what makes an e-commerce page convert. So our default theme is a high conversion theme for e-commerce. And yes, GrooveCart does everything that you expect in terms of your variants and your colors, that's a given, but we wanted to highlight some of the other things that it does. No, we have GrooveCart Alley Connect, which means that you have access to millions of product that you could find at AliExpress, and you simply find it, you click one button, and it imports it into your store. When people buy it, it'll automatically get shipped and fulfilled, and you're just a middleman. It's a beautiful process. If you're familiar with Oberlo, a Shopify app that we have our own technology called Layer App, more on that in the demo. We have print on demand. We're working with the leading print on demand company that has the highest quality shirts at the lowest prices for you. So what that means is it also comes with a designer, so you can take images and you load it onto one shirt and it'll make it on the small, medium, the large, everything like that, and every color, and one click import it into your store. And we're also going to be providing some high quality designs for you as well going in there. We have one of the secret things that we have that hasn't been announced yet at all. We have a drag and drop page builder if you want to build a storeless site where if you're selling things like drones or supplements and you want to build a beautiful, quote unquote, as seen on TV advertorial type site, we have a world-class drag and drop builder that will do that. And you can also use that for your upsells, your downsells. Wait till you see that, that's gonna be great. What if I'm already on Shopify? You simply put your Shopify store in, some credentials, one click, we will import your entire Shopify store and it'll work right on GrooveCart with higher converting pages. You can go live instantly.
As an e-com guy, as someone who's a marketer, I always want what's newest, what's next. Around that same time, we'll have print-on-demand jewelry, where you can take jewelry with someone's name on it, or anything like mom or dad or whatever, and get one of those made for you at a time and ship. So,
yeah, and all this stuff is going to be native to GrooveCart. And then finally, we're going to be having some incredible bonuses, things like bonus training on how to start a 7-figure apparel business, t-shirt business with GrooveCart. We're going to have live events. There's going to be GrooveCart Live, eCommerce Live in 2019, and we've spoken with a top marketer that's having an event in October that we're going to be giving VIP tickets to. I think it's a $497 or a $997 event. Just contacted John and I yesterday and said he'd be glad to give our people tickets to the event. So the beta program is 2 things. Number 1, it's an incredible savings allowing you to become a charter member and lock in the lowest price we'll ever offer. And we're going to be raising the price to the general public later, but you're locked in at a price at half price. Oh, and not just an incredible savings, but you're also going to be getting access to some incredible bonuses and some core features that later we're going to make modular and charge more for. Okay, the second thing for beta means we're going to be asking you to be a beta tester. Now, fair warning, if you're adventurous and you like saving a lot of money, like half price, and you want to help us break GrooveCart, we invite you to be a beta tester, and we're going to give you an incredible coupon discount to save to help us do that. Again, so if this sounds exciting and you want to lock in a price for as long as you have GrooveCart and never pay more and get all of these core features, then by all means, come help us break it, become a beta tester today. And if you're the type of person that wants perfect software, we will have that for you probably in January of 2019 with all the tutorials and training tips and things like that. And of course, you will pay double the price. Please come back then. But we're inviting you to become a beta tester, save a lot of money, work with us, report the bugs, and remember, we will have training, several training webinars a week going over everything about the course, plus you get all these incredible bonuses that you see on the page as well. So I want to thank you. Click that button, become a beta tester now, and we'll see you on the inside. We'll see you soon.